Have you ever wondered which coding assistant is better? Today, we're diving into Amazon Q Developer and GitHub Copilot to see how they stack up against each other. Both tools aim to help developers write code more efficiently. They offer suggestions, help with syntax, and can even generate code snippets. But they each have unique features that set them apart. Let's start with Amazon Q Developer. This tool is designed to work seamlessly with Amazon Web Services. It offers deep integration with AWS features, making it a great choice for developers working within that ecosystem. It focuses on providing context aware suggestions based on your project. On the other hand, we have GitHub Copilot. This tool is built on OpenAI's technology and integrates directly into your code editor. It learns from a vast amount of open source code, giving it a wide range of knowledge. Copilot is known for its ability to generate entire functions or even small applications based on simple comments. Now, let's look at the key differences. Amazon Q Developer is more specialized for AWS users, while GitHub Copilot is more versatile and can be used with various programming languages and frameworks. If you're heavily invested in AWS, Q Developer might be your best bet, but if you want a broader tool that can adapt to many environments, Copilot could be the way to go. When it comes to features, both tools offer code suggestions and auto completions. However, Copilot excels at generating larger code blocks while QDeveloper focuses on AWS specific recommendations. In terms of pricing, both have different models. Copilot typically operates on a subscription basis, while QDeveloper may have varying costs depending on usage and AWS services. So, which one should you choose? If you are an AWS developer, go with Amazon Q Developer for its tailored support. If you're looking for something more general and powerful, GitHub Copilot is a solid choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights.